Jamaica, a vibrant island nation nestled in the Caribbean Sea, is renowned for its captivating reggae music, stunning landscapes, and of course its delectable cuisine. Jamaican food is a celebration of the island's rich history and cultural diversity. It is a tantalizing fusion of flavors, reflecting the influences of the indigenous Taino people, African slaves, Indian indentured laborers, Chinese migrants, and European colonizers. The indigenous Taino people, the first inhabitants of Jamaica, introduced staples like cassava, sweet potatoes, and corn. These ingredients continue to play a vital role in Jamaican cuisine today. With the arrival of African slaves, ingredients like okra, callaloo, a leafy green vegetable, and Scotch bonnet peppers became integral to the island's culinary landscape. Indian indentured laborers brought to Jamaica after the abolition of slavery introduced their own vibrant spices and curries, adding another layer of complexity to Jamaican food. Chinese immigrants arriving in the late 19th century established eateries that quickly gained popularity, introducing dishes like rice and peas and new cooking techniques. European colonizers, particularly the Spanish and British, left their mark on Jamaican cuisine through the introduction of livestock, fruits and vegetables. Citrus fruits like oranges and limes, as well as spices like nutmeg and ginger, became integral parts of the Jamaican flavor profile. No exploration of Jamaican cuisine would be complete without paying homage to its national dish, ackee and saltfish. This iconic dish embodies the fusion of cultures that defines Jamaican food. Ackee, the national fruit of Jamaica, is a vibrant red fruit that, while poisonous when unripe, transforms into a creamy, slightly sweet delicacy when cooked. Ackee arrived in Jamaica with the slave trade, originating in West Africa. Despite its origins, ackee found a special place in the hearts and on the plates of Jamaicans. Combined with salted codfish, onions, tomatoes and spices, ackee transforms into a breakfast staple enjoyed by Jamaicans from all walks of life. The history of ackee and saltfish is intertwined with the history of Jamaica itself. During colonial times, salted codfish was a cheap and readily available source of protein for enslaved Africans. Ackee, growing abundantly on the island, provided a flavorful and nutritious complement to the salty fish. Breakfast in Jamaica is a far cry from a quick bowl of cereal. Jamaicans believe in starting the day with a hearty, cooked meal that provides sustenance and energy for the day ahead. The traditional Jamaican breakfast table is a testament to the island's agricultural bounty and culinary creativity. Plantain porridge, a creamy and comforting dish made with ripe plantains, coconut milk, spices, and often served with boiled dumplings, is a beloved breakfast choice. Callaloo, a vibrant green leafy vegetable similar to spinach, is another breakfast staple. It's typically sautéed with onions, tomatoes, garlic, and Scotch bonnet peppers for a flavorful and nutritious start to the day. Breadfruit, a starchy fruit that can be boiled, roasted, or fried, is another versatile breakfast option. It can be enjoyed as a side dish or used as the base for a variety of dishes. Of course, no Jamaican breakfast would be complete without a steaming cup of Jamaican coffee, known for its rich flavor and aroma. Section 4. The sweet and the sour diabetes in a land of bounty. It may seem paradoxical, but despite the abundance of fresh fruits, vegetables and seafood in Jamaica, the island nation faces a significant health challenge: a high rate of diabetes. This complex issue is a result of a confluence of factors, including genetics, lifestyle changes, and economic realities. While access to fresh produce is readily available, the adoption of processed foods, sugary drinks, and fast food has become increasingly prevalent in recent years. Economic constraints can also play a role, as healthier food options are sometimes perceived as more expensive. Addressing this health concern requires a multifaceted approach, encompassing education on healthy eating habits, promoting physical activity, and ensuring access to affordable and nutritious food options for all Jamaicans. Section 5. Beyond jerk chicken. Exploring the tapestry of Jamaican flavors. While jerk chicken may be Jamaica's most internationally recognized culinary export, the island's cuisine extends far beyond this spicy delight. From savory stews to refreshing beverages, Jamaican food is a vibrant tapestry of flavors that reflects the island's history and culture. One such dish is oxtail stew, a rich and flavorful slow-cooked stew made with tender oxtail, butter beans, and a medley of aromatic spices. This dish is a testament to the ingenuity of Jamaican cooks who transformed what was once considered a throwaway cut of meat into a culinary masterpiece. Another beloved dish is curry goat, a fragrant and flavorful curry that showcases the influence of Indian cuisine on Jamaican food. For those seeking a lighter fare, escovitch fish, a dish of pan-fried fish marinated in a spicy and tangy sauce made with vinegar, onions, and Scotch bonnet peppers, offers a refreshing and flavorful option. And no exploration of Jamaican cuisine would be complete without indulging in a slice of Jamaican rum cake, a moist and decadent cake soaked in rum and often studded with dried fruits. Section 6 Conclusion: The Heart and Soul of Jamaica. Jamaican cuisine is more than just a collection of recipes. It's a reflection of the island's history, culture, and the warmth and resilience of its people. From the national dish of ackee and saltfish to the hearty breakfast traditions and the diverse array of flavors found across the island, Jamaican food is a testament to the fusion of cultures that have shaped this Caribbean nation. So, next time you have the opportunity to savor a plate of jerk chicken, remember that you're experiencing just one small part of the rich tapestry that is Jamaican cuisine. Take the time to explore the diverse flavors, ingredients, and traditions that make this island nation's food so special. Every bite tells a story of resilience, creativity, and a deep love for good food and good company.